Kwintetho yakhe uMongameli Ramaphosa uthi imfundo esisiseko kufuneka ixhobise lilizwe ukuze likwazi ukuwasebenzisa amathuba aza nobuxhakaxhaka balemihla.
If we are to seize the opportunities of the fourth industrial revolution, our education system must be reoriented towards its development in our country. Studies show that the country is lagging behind in the information technology skills that are needed for the digital revolution that we must embark upon.
Uncome nesebe lemfundo esisiseko kuzimisela kwalo ukuzisa izifundo ezakudlala indima ephambili kwikamva labantwana beli ezifana necoding.
The Department of Basic Education is making headway on the national rollout of coding and robotics. This I am very pleased about. The draft coding and robotics curriculum has been submitted to Umalusi for evaluation and quality assurance, and the draft curriculum will soon be gazetted.
Uthi intsholongwane corona ivezela ubale ingxaki ukufilela kwabibili kubuxhakaxhaka balemihla.
The coronavirus pandemic has highlighted the digital divide in society, particularly with regards to the adoption of technologies for learning and teaching. It underscores the need to intensify efforts to ensure connectivity and equitable access to data.
Uthi imfundo yeli kuzakufuneka inqamelane nesicwangciso sophuhliso seli.
If we are to meet our developmental goals, we need to provide young people with quality education that prepares them not just for the challenges of the present, but also for the opportunities of the future.
Umongameli uphinde waqinisa ngokubaluleka kophuhliso lwemfundo kubantwana abasaqalayo.